It's Jeffrey with Howells Carpet Cleaning with a little bit of a tip here today. Why is it that we as human beings put up with the same stupid crap for years before we actually decide to do anything about it? I have absolutely no idea. But for the majority of us who are running a truck mounted system, we have a hose on board our truck, and at one end you probably have like a quick disconnect of some sort on the male end of the hose, and then on the female end of the hose, this here would be the end that plugs into the water spigot. And the problem that occurs is when you take this off from the water spigot and you roll it up and put it back in the truck, is that you have all the water in this hose starts leaking out into your truck if you don't have anything to do about it. A lot of you guys are probably plugging them somehow. What I finally did, went to Home Depot, went in the plumbing section and got a 3/4 inch plug, threaded plug. I don't know if they probably come in a lot of different sizes and variations. It proudly bears China's name. I mean, that right there, that's like the cake song, large fuzzy dice hanging like proudly like testicles in rear mirrors. Well, there's China's testicles right there on the end of this plug. So anyways, it will plug in right in here. It'll screw in snugly and prevent any water from leaking out. Yeah, it is kind of annoying that you have to unplug this every time that you go to use it, but at least it's not going to be draining water out. And most of the time anyways, I've got like 100 feet of hose here. Most of the time anyways, I'm only going to be running like 25 to 50 feet. So this will just block the end anyways that we usually would stay on the truck, and then when I attach it, the segment that I do use to the longer hose, it'll just prevent it from leaking all over the place. Alright, so there it is. I screwed it in. I'm only hand tightening it because I want to be able to easily pull it out if needed. And the other issue that may occur is that water may leak through those threads, so you could always take some thread tape and wrap it around that plug to give it a bit of a seal if that becomes necessary.